you see me avoid the rope? I was standing on it and I danced a little jig. Guys and gals, friends and pals, welcome to another magnet mission. I'm out at Scappoose and I'm at a kayak launch, which you can kind of see behind me. There's lots of stuff to see here, and so I'm actually going to check this launch out in a bit, but it's pretty busy today because it's a nice day and it's a Sunday. So there's other stuff to check out, and I'm actually going to start over here probably and check out along this dock and that slip that's open right there. So anyhow, without further ado, let's get a magnet in the water. All right, here we go. And last time I was out here, lots of fasteners, deck screws and things like that. But what's cool is we're getting this out of the water, and this is actually a nice habitat for lots of different creatures. So anyhow, lots of metal out of the water. Here's some chain links and fasteners to start.
That magnet fishing?
Yeah.
Catch anything cool?
Oh, lots of stuff. I just got started today, so.
No way.
Yeah, a couple of, out here you get lots of fasteners and stuff like that.
Yeah, I was going to say I dropped the boat cover. You want to try to get it out?
Yeah, where at?
You want to see? Let's go.
Is it in your slip?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, so I have a permission now. A fellow lost a boat cover. We're actually going to go to his slip and try to find it.
Hi guys.
All right, guys. This is Joe. As you know, I'm Richard.
Hi, Richard.
All right, so magnet rescue mission is in effect, guys. Let's hope it works out well. Okay, so guys, I am at Joe's slip. That's his boat right there, and we're gonna look for this cover that's missing. He had to leave. He's got to go pick up his kids, but hopefully we'll get it. We'll have some good luck here. And incidentally, this was my last find when I was dipping when I first met Joe. Ooh. We're gonna set you down this way just a little so you can see what's going on. Lots of fasteners. We're gonna see tons of this. I can tell you that right now. Rusty something or another. Ever seen a magnetic clamshell before? I think that little piece of wire kept it on there, but here we go. The much sought after eye bolt. Lots more fasteners. More little O. The last time I don't know if I can put it on here, but I'll try. Maybe I can play it for you. But my son Orion, I found a small O like this, a little O, and he just got a kick out of it. He left me a voicemail, which was hard to decipher except for the part that said a little O, and he sounded very happy that I mentioned it.
You have one saved message. Saved message.
Little O sees. Oh.
So anyways, little O, there you are. All right. Here's some interesting stuff. We got a leader and a big hook. And then we got, this looks like a runner for, fits inside of a door, and then the plastic part slides across the runner, but hard to say, but there we are. Cool. Fasteners. And a mushed up Coors Light bottle cap. Nails. Oh boy. Little extravaganza of fasteners. See how many times I say fasteners today. I'm going to abuse the word fasteners. I'll be right back though. I forgot my my part. Through the magic of editing, I'm back instantaneously. kind of feel like a time traveler. It's pretty cool. I keep finding more and more fasteners. You know why Joe lost that cover? Because he didn't fasten her down. Fastener. He didn't fasten her down. Get it? Fasten her. Okay. Something big and magnetic under the water there that the magnet is sliding off of. Darn it. Who knows? That may come up eventually. Oh, I think we actually got something this time. Yeah, sure enough. Definitely got something. A tree limb. And looks like a wire hanger that got bent up, and then this guy here. Okay, cool. Some different finds. And more fasteners. Look at these fasteners. They're so fascinating. Fastener, oh fastener. Fasteners, more fasteners. Fasteners! This just in, an Oregon man found a fastener with a magnet. So close to interesting. Not really. Fastener. Fastener. Rhymes with fasteners. Your turn. 1, 2, 3. Ollie, that was pretty cool. That one guy though, that was just sarcasm. And if you know me, then you know sarcasm is my favorite. We got a nice hook and a leader right there. Hello.
Hi.
Here we go. Another tree limb. But look, we finally got a little companion ratchet screwdriver. So that's pretty cool. And more of those things. Yeah, I said those things. I'm done with the fastener jokes. I think I may come up with one. Let's see. Okay, I was racing this lady and I was fastening her. Fastening her. Never mind. Not feeling anything. I always imagine slips just being loaded, but that has not been my experience. Nope. Some nails and a hook. That's a nice hook though, right there. 27-cent value. Okay, maybe 18 cents, I don't know. Gosh darn it. Tick. Fastener. Okay, here we go. Check this out. It's old. I hope it's an old electrical box, and I didn't just disrupt the electrical service to the marina. So many false alarms with magnet fishing, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, nothing. Oh, here we go. Oh, cool, guys. Look at this. Bungee cord. But even better, check out this Zippo lighter. Oh, right on. Yeah. That looks like custom engraved to somebody. So, D.O. Hard to say, but yeah. Oh, Zippo right there. Look, it's all brass. Still works. Cool. Haven't found one of these in a while. That just when I was complaining about slips never giving anything up. Oh, might be on something else here, guys. Could be a tree limb. There are lots of tree limbs out here, I'll tell you that. But this is coming up steady. Oh, hooked on a rope. Hooked on a big rope. Okay. So we got another bungee cord and a big coil of rope. I'm finding more non-magnetic stuff. Anyways, all right. It's refuse out of the river. Richard's River Refuse Removal Residency. But you can call it another big hook. I'm hooked. Oh. Didn't see that. Got some steel shot 2 1/4 Magnum active shotgun action. Ooh, maybe. Oh, here we go. Oh, of course. It wouldn't be a magnetfishing trip without these guys. The unofficial sponsor of magnet fishing right there. You? Maybe, baby. All right. Look at this guy. Fastener, the fastener grand finale. It's like, we want to show them a fastener. Let's put a 2x4 on that baby, right there. Thought I had. I would find a fastener. Are we on something? I think we got something here, guys, from under the dock. Oh yeah, oh cool. Check that out, guys and gals. A boat cleat. How cool is that? All right. Did you see me avoid the rope? I was standing on it and I danced a little jig. What does a crazy evangelist say? Fastener! Get it? Fastener. We're all sinners, aren't we? Anyhow, thank you, Jesus, for your grace. Fastener. All right, guys. Well, we didn't find Joe's snap cover, but we gave it our best shot, and we did find some cool stuff. A Zippo lighter and a little screwdriver thing, and we got a lot of junk out of the water, and a ton of fasteners. So, anyways, thanks for joining me. If you want a magnet of your own, Brute Magnetics, KRATOS Magnetics, great companies. There's links in the description below. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next magnet mission.